Affiliate marketing is easy with these tips. Knowing how to start affiliate marketing can be daunting at first, however it can pay off in the long run. It takes patience and a wealth of knowledge to get started on the right foot. This video will provide specific tips and hints on how to make the most out of affiliate marketing. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, look for a company that offers a unique product. If you are just one person in a sea of reviews for the same product, you are less likely to have a high number of buyers. Promoting a product that is unlike anything else on the market and is not being promoted by many others will have a higher rate of success. If you perform especially well for a particular company, ask for a raise. As you're generating a large amount of revenue for the company you've affiliated with, they'll be more than willing to work with you to keep you selling their goods. Look for companies that are willing to pay extra for your time spent. Some affiliate businesses expect you to design the marketing tools you will be using to get them buyers. Finding a business that is willing to pay you for the extra efforts is quite a bonus. If you are spending your time for their sales, you should be paid for it. Look around for a mentor in affiliate marketing if you are not sure how to approach the business. There are thousands of successful affiliates out there who will lend you advice to get you started. You are not their competition at this point, so most are happy to help out. Check around the blogosphere and find experts in the field. In conclusion, you learn not only some basics about affiliate marketing but also some specific ways in which you can apply it to your own business. As long as you are committed and have a goal to work toward, the tips in this video should help you find success. Student loan.